Hello everyone. In today's session, we will explore 5 different methods to check the Angular version. The first method is using the command ng version. So let's try in the Visual Studio Code. So if I run ng, let me close few lines, ng hyphen hyphen version. Now you see it explains the current version is 19.0.1. The second method is ng version. Let me try ng version. Now you can see it, Angular CLI is running through the 19.0.1. So what is the difference between ng hyphen hyphen version and ng versions? ng hyphen hyphen versions only display few items like the current versions, while the ng versions give the more details. It gives what all the architecture, build, code and semantics, and what all the version we are using it. Apart from this one, it also gives the node versions what we are using currently. Now the third method involves checking the package.json. We can open the package.json file and we can navigate to the dependencies section. In the dependencies section you can find what is the Angular core. It's like 19.0.0 in this current applications. This is the third way. The fourth method is running npm list -g Angular CLI command. Let me try that also. I can run npm list -g at Angular CLI. It also shows the current Angular versions at the global level. I can run the same command without giving the -g, and definitely it will give the same output. So if in few machines, if it is not working with -g because the Angular CLI is not installed at global level, you can use the second command itself. And the final is by using the programming language. In the current application, if you see, I have written a code and I have imported versions from the Angular core, and then I initialize a current versions variable with the versions. I also log into the console.log, and the way we have to do is version.full that display the current versions. And the same way I have binded current versions variable into the HTML for better visibility. The same way I have used the current versions object, and then I have used the full property. Let's see how it works from the programming perspective. Browser, you see Angular version displays as 19.0.0, and also in the console section you can find Angular versions 19.0.0. So this Angular version is coming from the S3 binding, where I have done interpolations binding, and that is the reason I am getting it 19.0.0. And the same way, if you are going with the program, I am also logging using the console.log what is the current versions, and you can find it into the console.log. So thank you all. Give me the feedback and comment if you need more help on any other topics. Thank you.